on today is we're still working square roots, but now we're going to look at what happens when they throw in the variables, okay?
Are we doing number 7?
No.
We're doing,
Okay, we're gonna work on number 8, okay? All right, now the nice thing about it is the variables have the same rules as numbers, so it's not really that hard of a bit, okay? It is pair them up and move them out. Same exact rule, okay? So let's go ahead and start by breaking down the 40. What would 40 break to?
2 and 20.
Okay, 2 and 20. And then 20.
2 and 10.
Mm-hmm.
2 and 5.
Okay. All right, so now we're gonna pair up and move out. So if I look here, what's my outside number gonna be?
2.
2,
2, what's my inside number?
10.
10,
Very good, is everybody okay with that? Okay, now when you do this, write 2 and then put some space and then radical 10, because we're gonna put the variables in between, okay? So go ahead and put a little bit of space there. Okay, so now, like I said, the variables have the exact same rules. So x squared tells us that there are 2 x's, right? X squared means there's 2 x's. So when I pair my x's up and move them out, how many pairs do we have there?
1.
One pair, right? If I'm pairing up and moving out, x squared, there's 2 x's. I circle it, it moves out. Is there any x's left over?
No.
No, so there's nothing left on the inside. Okay, I paired them up, moved them out. Okay, let's try again. So now y to the 5th, we have 5 y's, right? Okay, so how many pairs do I have here?
2.
Good, so 2 pairs. So where does y squared go?
Outside?
Good, it has to go on the outside. Pair them up, move them out. And do we have any y's left for the inside?
Yes.
Yes.
How many?
1.
Okay, now, side note, you should never have bigger than a 1 on the inside. If you have something bigger than a 1, that means you can pair up and move out more things. Does that make sense? So anytime you write something on the inside there, if you put y squared or y to the 3rd, y to the 10th, whatever, you know you've done it wrong. Okay, because it has to pair up and move out. There's either 1 left over or none left over. Those are your 2 options, okay? All right, and then z to the 3rd, how many pairs do we have there?
1.
1 pair, so I move that to the outside. And do I have any leftovers?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, the 1z left on the inside. Okay. All right, does anybody got a question on that? Okay, so let's just try it one more time here. So 72, let's start there. 72, what's that going to break into, Emma?
8.
Beautiful. 8 times 9. So Emma, what would 8 break to?
2 and 4.
And the 4?
2 and 2.
Good. And what about our 9?
3 and 3.
Very good. All right, Chloe, what's our pairs here?
2 and 2 and 3 and 3.
Okay, so we have a pair of 2s and a pair of 3s, right? We pair it up and move it out. Okay, who thinks they know what my outside number here should be? What's my outside number? Negative 12, okay? So I'm going to take 3 times 2, right, which is 6, times the negative 2 on the outside. So we get a negative 12 on the outside. Is everybody okay with that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now leave a little space again. What's your inside number going to be?
2.
Good, we just have the 2 left over. Okay? All right, so x to the 3rd. Quentin, how many pairs do I have on x to the 3rd? 1 pair. So that's on the outside. And then this poor leftover guy is stuck on the inside. Okay? All right, y to the 4th. How many pairs would come out of y to the 4th, Ben?
2.
Good, so y squared. Do we have any leftovers?
No.
So nothing left on the inside, okay? James, z to the 7th, how many pairs do we have there? I'm sorry, it's you. Okay, good, so we have 3 z's, do we have any leftovers?
1 left over.
Okay, thanks, sorry, I can't hear today. All right, and that's your final answer, okay? Does anybody have a question on that? Okay, try number 10 on your own then. Try number 10 on your own. No, whatever the circle is, you know, the other ones are 1.
your 4 on the outside. You only have a pair of 2s.
Oh, yeah.
That's okay.
My variable, right?
Here we go. Let's see. Eggs, pineapple. Yes. Mhm. 5 to the 10th, no pairs are there.
It's not what I did see with the right.
So right in the end, line it up. So you want to do 2, let's go. How many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to line it up. You say something to your Z's. Sure.
Alright, 56, Kevin, what'd you break 56 into?
2 and 28,
Okay? And then where'd you go from 28?
2 and 14, and then 2 and 7.
Okay. That's one way to do it. Okay, so if I pair up and move out, what are your numbers gonna look like here, Kevin?
What?
Yeah, 2, 2.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's probably a little confusing. Alright, so what do you have, what's that gonna look like? What's on the outside?
2,
What's on the inside?
14.
There you go, good, okay, X. Caitlin, X, where's that gonna go? Yeah, goes inside, doesn't have a pair, does it? Okay. Y to the 10th, Malcolm? How many pairs do you have on Y to the 10th? Okay, so 5 Ys on the outside, is there any left on the inside? No, okay. Tatiana, Z to the 5th, how many pairs? Okay, so 2 for the outside, so Z squared, do you have any left over for the inside? And 1 left over, very good, okay. All right, does anybody have a question on that? Okay, so last problem here is we've got multiplication, okay? So now remember, keep things segregated, outside multiply with outside, inside with inside, in this case it's all insides though, okay? So 5 times 8 is 40. All right, who remembers what to do with variables? Emma?
You add the exponents.
Add the exponents, good job. So side note, add exponents. This is great review because it's going to be on your final exam. Okay, so add the exponents up. So how many C's will we have now? C to the 5th and D to the 10th. Okay, all right, go ahead, take a second and break that down. All right, Evan, break down 40 for me. What did you get there?
2 and 20,
Okay.
2 and 10, and 2 and 5.
Okay, so what pairs up?
2 and 2,
Okay, so what's your outside number?
2,
What's your inside number?
10.
Very good. Okay. Quentin, tell me about the C to the 5th here.
Yeah, 2 sets, right?
Yeah.
And you have 1 left over.
Yeah, okay, so you'll have a C squared out here and a C in here. Good, all right. All right, Guadalupe, D to the 10th. Good, 5 pairs, nothing's left over. So this would be your answer. Okay, does anybody have a question on that? Okay, all right, write this rule down. Your variable rule is the same as the numbers. Pair them up, move them out. Okay, so when you get that done, that'll conclude your notes for today.
Hooray.
And action.